Hello, this is Tom, and I've put together an exercise to practice your CNC mill programming skills. We're going to do some straight lines, some clockwise arcs, some counterclockwise arcs. We're going to center drill and tap the holes in this bolt hole circle, and then we're going to drill and circle mill the large hole in the middle. Now, all of these subjects have been covered in previous videos, so if you need to, feel free to watch those and see how that's done. But let's take a look at the print and take a close look at the dimensions. Alright, so you can see the part width is 5 inches and the length is this 5 inches plus 1.5, so 6.5 overall length. In this side view, you can see that the part is 1 inch thick, so when we mill the outside, make sure that we go at least 1 inch deep. The origin is located right in the center of the 2-inch diameter hole, which is located exactly in the middle of this 5-inch width and this 5-inch width. So 2.5 inches to the right of this left edge and 2.5 inches down from this top edge. The 4-inch bolt hole circle is located concentric to the large hole in the middle, and we have 8 holes equally spaced, and the first hole is located right at 0 degrees, and then we have them equally spaced 45 degrees apart. So you're going to have to calculate the X and Y location of each hole. We're going to be drilling and circle milling the hole in the middle, and the bolt hole circles are going to be center drilled, then tapped. We're going to use a 1/2 inch end mill to make one finish pass around this part, climb cutting using cutter compensation. Alright, so that's all the information you need to write a program. So next, let's take a look at the process plan. Alright, we're going to start out by milling the outside using a 1/2 inch end mill and using line left cutter compensation. We're going to use I's and J's to generate all the corner radii. The next, we're going to center drill all the holes, and we're going to drill the large 2-inch diameter hole in the center with a 3/4 inch diameter drill. Then we're going to drill all the bolt circle holes with a 5/16 diameter drill. We're going to drill all the way through, and then we're going to tap all the bolt circle holes with a 3/8 tap. We're going to use can cycles for the center drilling, the peck drilling, and then the tapping operations. Alright, and then the last thing we're going to do is circle mill the 2-inch diameter through hole using a 5/8 end mill. Alright, so let's take a look at the format of the program. Alright, so the purpose of this exercise is that you write a program that can be loaded into the CNC mill control. So we want to make sure we have complete header information. We want to give a brief description of the tools and the operations they're used for. Then make sure you start each operation with safety lines and tool changes in a safe place. Make sure that all the spindle command and coolant commands are there, and we're going to use feed rates that are in inches per minute. At the end of each operation, make sure you end it with a optional stop, and for each operation we're going to use the G54 work coordinate and make sure that the H's and D's are where they need to be. Alright, so in the next video we're going to talk in detail about how this program should be put together and take a close look at the format. Alright, so at the end of this video I'll bring up the part print with the dimensions one more time. Good luck writing your program. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.